Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet table runner designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet table runner is a decorative fabric page made using crochet techniques designed to be placed along the center of a table. It adds charm and elegance while protecting the table surface. These runners can be made in various patterns from intricate lace design to thicker, textured styles depending on the yarn or thread used. Crochet table runners are popular in rustic, farmhouse, vintage, and classical cottage decor styles, making them a great addition to cozy and traditional home setting. They can be customized in different lengths, widths, and colors to match your table setting and decor theme. Here are some tips for choosing, making, and styling a crochet table runner in a farmhouse or classical cottage style home. Choosing the right designs and yarn, go for lace or vintage patterns. Decide lace like crochet designs with floral, leaf, or geometric motifs and a timeless touch. Use neutral or earthy tones, cream, beige, soft gray, or warm brown. Yarns blend beautifully with rustic farmhouse and cottage decor. Consider cotton or linen yarn. These natural fibers provide a classic, elegant look and are durable for everyday use. Dye crochet patterns to try. Pineapple lace pattern, a vintage design that looks elegant and detailed. Granny scar runners, perfect for a cozy nostalgic touch. Bobble stays or shell stays, adds texture and depth, great for a rustic farmhouse look. Styling a crochet table runner, layer with other textures. Pair it with a burlap or linen base for a cozy layered farmhouse feel. Use it a base for centerpieces, add candles, wooden trays, or vintage vases to create a charming display. Let it overhang slightly. A few inches of overhang on both ends gives an elegant finished look. Maintenance and care. Hand wash or use a gentle cycle. Since crochet is delicate, use mild detergent and avoid harsh washing methods. Block the runner after washing. Let flood to dry and shape it properly to maintain its beauty. Stir properly, fold neatly or roll it to prevent creases. Keeping it in a dry place helps avoid yellowing over time. Patterns and textures ideas. Fillet crochet designs. These patterns use open spaces to create floral, heart, or vintage motifs, adding a lacy, delicate look. Rustic boho frings est. Adding tassels or frings at the ends gives a relaxed farmhouse charm. Crocheted mixed textures combine stitches like shell, puff, or cable stitches for depth and a handmade aesthetic. Unique ways to use a crochet table journal. Use a sideboard or buffet journals. Adds vintage charm to a farmhouse style console or cabinet. On a coffee table, a smaller crochet journal can soften a rustic old coffee table. Layered over a burlap or linen tablecloth creates a cozy, layered look, perfect for cottage-style decor. Folded as a table centerpiece instead of laying it out fully. Fold it lengthwise and place it under the decorative tray for a modern rustic touch. Seasonal and festive ideas, spring or summer, use light, airy lace patterns and soft pastels on neutral tones. Add fresh flowers and ceramic vases for a cottagecore feel. Fall or winter, opt for thicker yarns or textured stitches in warm tones like mustard, chip shade, or soft brown. Pair with rustic candles and pine cones for cozy decor. Die customization, add embroidery or beads. A subtle touch of embroidery or teeny wooden beads can make the runner unique. Mix crochet with fabric, adjust crochet edge to linen or cotton fabric for a vintage farmhouse look. Make a patchwork runner, crochet small squares or motifs and join them together for a quilt-like effect. Choosing the right size and shape, measure your table first. The standard table runner should be about 1 by 3 the width of the table and overhang slightly on both ends. Long and narrow for formal look, ideal for dining tables, buffets, arranging vegetables. Shorts and wide for casual look, works well for coffee tables or small kitchen tables. Oval or circular runners great for round tables or to use as a centerpiece mat. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Happy crocheting!